What's up, guys? See some people jumping in. Give it another minute and then we'll get started. What's up, Brian? How you doing? Need some hits, all right. You got my team. You got the Niners.
I thought I said Ryan. Okay. Trying to be cool.
Because it's my soda. Thanks a lot, Joe Biden, which I've been reduced to.
Going to twist up. What's up, Jeremiah? All right, let's see what I can do. Aiden wants some Chase Young. All right. All right, so we'll go ahead and do a quick roll call. This is M Breaks, our 2020 football mixer, number 416. Let's see. All right, so Aiden has the Redskins. Antonio H has the Patriots and Bucks. Bill has the Cardinals. Brian has the Vikings, Giants, 49ers, and Seahawks. Chris has the Steelers. Dan has the Rams and the Colts. Greg has the Saints. Dolphins go to James. James B. James C. has the Cowboys. Jeremiah's got the Bengals. Joe C. has the Packers. Joe J. has the Jets. Joel J. has the Chiefs. John has the Titans. Juan has the Raiders. Kelly has the Bills. Kyle has the Falcons, Panthers, and Broncos. Leo has the Chargers. Lori has the Lions. Ryan D. has the Eagles. Ryan S. has the Ravens. And Steve has the Bears. All right. We got a lively chat so far, so that's good. Digging that. So what we have tonight, get all this stuff up here. So we've got two contenders fat packs. We've got two playoff fat packs.
Playoff?
Yep. Two Chronicles fat packs. Two absolute fat packs, and then two select fat packs, or cellos, whatever your little heart desires. We've got a Chronicles hanger, two Donruss blasters, and then our big ticket item, obviously, is the OPTIC hanger, which we'll finish off with that. All right, so we'll do these fat packs. We'll save the two selects for the end. We'll start with the contenders. So good luck, everyone. And hopefully we won't have a roll-off card. TJ Watt.
I forgot about that.
Zeke. Sam Darnold. DJ Moore. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Tyrann Mathieu. Brandon Cooks. Tyler Lockett. Nick Chubb. Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff.
A downtown would be sweet, Brian.
Leighton Vander Esch, Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins, and nice, we got a round numbers, Cam Akers and Van Jefferson going to the Rams. MVP, Baker Mayfield. Like that ever happened.
You're a hater.
And then
There we go.
There we go. Starting it off. Joe Burrow, Rookie of the Year ticket. There we go. Joey B on the board. And Zeke with the MVP. Also, like that would ever happen.
Like they'd ever give it to a running back.
Yeah. Not even the best running back on his team.
Leave it alone, man. Pollard is not that guy.
Mm-hmm.
You were like the biggest Pollard fan.
James Conner, Amari Cooper, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russ Wilson. There he is, Baker again. There you go, Jeremiah. MVP right there. Josh Allen to the Jags, Terry McLaurin, Matthew Stafford. Sacked Matthew Stafford, my bad. That's because he's in the Lions uniform. Jimmy G, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Hollywood Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry. Oh, and we do got to roll one off.
Yep.
Chase Young and Jeff Okudah, round numbers. So we'll set that aside and roll that off. Big Ben, the MVP, and well, had quarterbacks in there.
Pretty good.
Tua, Rookie of the Year.
Pretty good.
So nice hit there for the Dolphins, and then Kyler Murray, MVP.
I can believe that.
Yeah.
If the MVP was picked after week 8.
Yeah, true. All right, let's do the absolute.
You okay there?
I am. AJ Green, Joey Bosa, Kirk Cousins, Josh Allen of the Bills, Larry Fitz, Russell Wilson, T.Y. Hilton. We did. Got some green. Devontae Parker, green parallel, and Stephen Gilmore. Backwards card, which is our green rookie, James Morgan. To Jets. Got a fantasy flashback, Andre Johnson. 47 points. Oh, hold on, I got to see what he did for 47 points real quick. Posting a career high, so he had 14 catches for 273 yards. Nice. Good week. If you didn't win that week, you suck in fantasy. Patrick Mahomes, stargazing. Our rookies, DJ Dallas, Patrick Queen, Jake Fromm, AJ Epinesa, Ben DiNucci. Our first JJ, Justin Jefferson, Darrell Taylor, and Neville Gallimore. Kid Reporter. All right. All right. Terry McLaurin, Deshaun Jackson, Teddy B, Deshaun Watson, Julian Edelman, Gardner Minshew, Bobby Wagner. Our greens are Russell Wilson. And our green parallel on the rookie is Joshua Kelly. Our introduction, who will be playing for the Mean Machine in prison. Stephon Gilmore, Unsung Heroes. Our rookies, Ross Blacklock, James Morgan, Anthony Gordon, Jordan Brooks, Colin Johnson, Lynn Bowden, Eno Benjamin, and Joe Reed rounding it out. Find one?
I did.
You had to go on a deep search there.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do the playoff, and then we'll do Chronicles. I like to stick with the product once I get in there. So this is the fattest of fat packs here. Doesn't get any fatter than this.
How much does then score do one too?
40 cards. Whew. LaDainian Tomlinson, Paris Campbell, Jarrett Stidham, Kevin Byard, Marlon Humphrey, Chris Jones, Deontay Johnson, Joe Mixon, Josh Jacobs, Minka Fitzpatrick, Jim Kelly, Gardner Minshew, Lev Bell, Von Miller, A.J. Brown on the kickoff parallel, Barry Sanders on the kickoff parallel, and Jordan Brooks goal line parallel. We got a Thunder and Lightning, Marshall Faulk and Isaac Bruce. Rookie wave, J.K. Dobbins. Went out to the Ravens. Our rookies, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Jedrick Wills, and James Morgan. I feel like I saw a bunch of that guy so far. Cole McDonald and Brandon Ayuk, 49ers. Anthony Miller, Mike Evans, Miles Sanders, Christian McCaffrey, DK Metcalf, Aaron Donald, Urlacher, Shaq Barrett, Terry McLaurin, Mike Allstott, Saquon Barkley, Matt Ryan, Bobby Wagner, Kenny Galladay, Kyler Murray, and Landon Collins rounding it out. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the combine picks either, but it's kind of funny because some of the combine picks turn out pretty good. I think, Diggs was in the combine pick. Darnell Mooney for the Bears, I think in prison he was in a combine pick, or at least he was an optic. So
And it's not like Panini took more than one picture, so.
yeah,
Like, remember the Kevin Durant picture?
yeah,
They used the same Kevin Durant picture for like 3 years
yeah.
worth of cards.
All right. Travis Kelce, Nick Chubb, Austin Eckler, Andre Johnson, Keel Harry,
Are you
Tannehill, Lamar Jackson, Mike Gesicki, Mark Brunell. Just have to see you paying attention over there. Hollywood Brown, Mikael Hardman. That's what she said. Austin Hooper, Tyrod Taylor, Zach Cunningham. And our parallels, kickoff parallel, OBJ, Ricky Jackson. Yeah. And then we got a Freddie Swain, Seahawks rookie.
Big Fred.
There we go. Chase Claypool on the rookie wave right behind that. I sit there for the Steelers. Got a call to arms, Patrick Mahomes. And our rookies, Keyshawn Vaughn, AJ Epinesa, Quez Watkins, Isaiah Simmons, Devin Duvernay. And that's it for the rooks. Back to the vets, Julio Jones, Chris Carson, Adrian Amos, Larry Fitz, Dwayne Haskins, Emmitt Smith, Devontae Adams, Tyler Higbee, man, too much flipping. Deion Sanders, George Kittle, Stafford, Chandler Jones, Deshaun Jackson, Ricky Jackson, Zeke Elliott, and Dalvin Cook.
You got a board ready.
Board ready? All right. Joey B up there, front and center.
You so choose.
Front here. All right. Check these Chronicles out. All right, Curtis Martin, John Elway, DK Metcalf, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Matt Ryan, another Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Gridiron Kings, Henry Ruggs on the Omega, along with Darrington Evans on the Omega. We got the playoff momentum, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. So that's
Of course.
three in this pack. Justin Herbert on the Panini. First time we've seen him. Jerry Jeudy on the Luminance. Jonathan Taylor on the Gridiron Kings. Clyde Edwards-Helaire again on Panini. Jalen Hurts, Luminance. And Brandon Ayuk on the Gridiron Kings. Solo number 2 of the Chronicles. DeAndre Swift, Sean Alexander, Patrick Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, Dalvin Cook. There we go. Joe Burrow on Illuminance. Joey B, second time. Jake Fromm on the Omega. T. Higgins on the Omega. And, wrong charger. Joshua Kelly on Donruss clearly rated rookie. James Robinson, Luminance. James Morgan, Gridiron King. Gabriel Davis, Panini. Jalen Reagor, Panini. James Robinson, Gridiron Kings. And Justin Jefferson on the Panini. Get Joey B up there. And
He's got one in both.
all right.
Way to make it look easy.
Hmm.
Way to make it look easy.
That's what I do. That's what I do. Hopefully we'll get a Prison Black in here.
I hope so.
Starting off with Henry Ruggs, Hollywood Brown, Drew Brees, C.D. Lamb, Troy Polamalu, Deshaun Watson, Derrick Henry, Keenan Allen, Jim Kelly, Michael Thomas, Alvin Kamara on the green. There we go. Got Joe Burrow on the classics. Nice looking card there. Right behind that, we got Ayuk going to the Niners. A.J. Dillon for the Pack. And C.D. Lamb. These cards must only be in the hangers.
Yeah, the classics.
Yeah.
They have exclusive ones.
There we go. Dynagon, Justin Herbert.
I think the Prestige are only in the blasters.
Gotcha. Nice little Herbie there. L'Jarius Sneed on the Gridiron Kings. Darnell Mooney. James Robinson. James Morgan. Gabriel Davis. Jalen Reagor. James Robinson. Justin Jefferson. Michael Pittman, Luminance. Patrick Queen. There we go. Got a little Tua. Gridiron Kings. Lots of Dolphins. And James Robinson again. Killing it. Getting a lot of carries tonight. On the green parallel. And we got a Zach Moss Clear Vision to the Bills. And then right behind that, Gabriel Davis. Rated rookie. Fresh off his 500-yard performance in the playoffs.
Yes, seriously.
All right.
Hey, Stephon Diggs has 8 guys on him. I guess we gotta throw it to Gabriel Davis.
Oh no, he did make that dude look pretty.
Oh,
He
well,
juked
just-
him out.
Yeah, he just bit it.
Yeah.
Yeah, shame. Shame what the defensive coordinator did to them.
Yeah. My favorite Paxton from Donruss. What's that?
I guess a box topper.
One
Oh,
memorabilia or a magnet card. So our magnet card, this thing weighs like 10 pounds. This is Rise and Shine Aaron Rodgers card.
Nice. Going on the fridge.
Forgot all about those.
must have opened this at number. 'Cause it
Must-
wasn't
yeah.
that either.
Rise and shine. Thing's heavy, isn't it?
It is. I guess it's a magnet. Flexing.
All right. Mark Ingram. And we're turning already. Mohamed Sanu. Jared Stidham. Darius Leonard. Young Ho Koo.
My man.
Jeff Gladney. Rookie. Gronk. And Reggie White. The only thing is you flip upside down, but at least unlike this year's Donruss, you don't have those backwards cards to deal with
Yeah.
halfway through the pack. But it is rather annoying to have to keep flipping back.
Right.
I mean, how hard is it to put the cards in there? Joey Bosa, Steve Atwater, Carlos Hyde, Matt Ryan. Oh, nice. Got a canvas proof. Jordan Love
It is nice. Wow.
going to the Packers. So nice hit there to the pack. Go Pack, go. Go along with your magnet, your Rise and Shine magnet.
You can magnet this to the fridge.
Yeah. Quintez Cephas, rookie. And then Dan Marino and Aaron Jones. I like the canvas proofs. But now they're,
I like them better.
I don't like the
I like
portrait.
these ones better.
Yeah. Because the portraits have them in their college unis.
Yeah.
Or at least Trey Lance's. Melvin Gordon, Michael Gallup,
Only one you care about.
Dak Prescott, Jelani Tavai, Kenyon Drake, and this guy just keeps showing up. James Morgan, rated rookie. Ryan Fitzpatrick and John Ross. All right, we're gonna put up there. Let's get the. We'll take this Tua down. Since Tua was on there twice. OBJ, Mike Evans, Matthew Stafford, Roquan Smith, Sean Taylor, Andrew Thomas, balled up in his 40-yard dash with his O-line shirt on. Giants, Benny Snell, and Frank Clark. Jacob Hollister, Chris Carson, Taysom Hill, Ryan Kerrigan, and we got a champ is here, Frank Clark. And here we go, Darnell Mooney in his combine outfit for the Bears. Michael Vick and Tyreek Hill. Hold it up. Raheem Mostert, Jared Allen, Kevin Byard with the K missing off of his name, Joe Namath, Jack Youngblood, Keyshawn Vaughn, rated rookie going to the Bucks, Miles Sanders, and Bob Greasy. Jimmy G, Harrison Smith, Evan Ingram, Jared Goff, Hunter Renfrow, Dalton Keene, rookie, Patriots, Zadarius Smith, and Mike Gesicki. Downtown or bust. Matt Judon, Malcolm Jenkins, Jason Witten, Lenny Fournette, and we got a Ryan Tannehill, red press proof, and Mekhi Becton, rookie card right behind that. AJ Green and Devin Bush. All right, 3 packs to go. Matt Blaster. Hollywood Brown. Kyler Murray. Is that the...
The photo variation.
Yeah. Hightower. Teddy Bridgewater. Big Q. And DeAndre Swift, rated rookie, going to the Lions. So a nice hit there for the Lions. CJ Uzma. And Juju Smith-Schuster. Juju. All right, Melvin Ingram, Keenan Allen, Cole Beasley, Brandon Cooks, got a Legend Series, Jason Taylor, Dolphins, and then Josiah DeGora, rookie for the Packers, got some run this year, Tyrann Mathieu and Jason Peters, since all the other tight ends in the roster were hurt. I was rooting for that dude. Yeah, got a lot of prisms.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
Noah Fant, Phillip Lindsay.
Same reason I love Sixto Sanchez.
Yeah, Jalen Smith, Grady Jarrett, J.J. Watt, Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers, first round pick in his college uniform. Sweet. Tom Brady and Brett Favre.
Brett Favre.
All right. See if we get a magnet fly out of here.
Got a mem card.
No magnet, must be a mem card. Dog's done like a full 180.
Dude. Yeah. She has a bed. I don't know why she lays there.
Sean Taylor, Ryan Kerrigan, Marshawn Lattimore, Kyle Juszczyk, Emmanuel Sanders, Jason Huntley, rookie, to the Lions. Even though he's no longer with the Lions. Mecole Hardman and Ben Roethlisberger. Kevin Byard, Joe Namath, Jack Youngblood, George Kittle, and right behind that, a Dominators, George Kittle, Jalen Reagor, rated rookie, Travis Kelce, Zach Ertz. He's no longer French.
That was awesome. Almost woke me up.
Jared Goff,
Let's see why you yawn over here.
Hunter Renfrow, Kyle Rudolph, Darius Slayton. I got a press proof. This is a numbered card.
Oh.
So Kevin Byard, who we've seen 15,000 times in this break. This is number 54 out of 100. Going out to the Titans. Nice hit. Harrison Bryant, rookie to the Browns. Lamar Jackson and Kenny Clark. Jason Witten, Lenny Fournette, Teddy B, Calais Campbell, Blake Martinez, Cole McDonald,
Had a fun.
Christian Wilkins, and Ken Anderson.
This dude's a rookie. He looks mad old.
Yeah.
Chris Winky age rookies.
It's like, we'll have a mem card in here. Quentin Nelson, Cole Beasley, let's see, Mark Ingram, put it in the back. Oh, nice. Gabriel Davis, rated rookie. Nice hit to the Bills. TJ Watt, Tyler Boyd, and our mem card is Anthony Miller to the Bears, Donruss Threads. So a little Anthony Miller action. Brandon Cooks, Grady Jarrett, J.J. Watt, Jarrett Stidham, Joey Bosa, Xavier McKinney, rookie to the Giants in his combine outfit. First round pick, right?
Yeah, he played well.
Top 10 pick, wasn't it? James Conner
So,
and Damian Williams.
this is the Giants, right? So unless
Yeah.
they trade it out.
Yeah. It's pretty safe to say. I think Akuda was like the 3rd overall pick, and he's like in combine outfit too.
Yeah.
Come on, Donruss.
But Donruss does come out early too.
Yeah.
At least they're not in their college unis like the Prestige.
Yeah. DeAndre Hopkins, Trey Flowers, Steve Atwater, Melvin Gordon, Michael Gallup, Logan Wilson, again, Jason Kelsey, and Rob Gronkowski. 4 packs to go. And then we will dig into those select. And then we'll finish out with that optic. Larry Fitz, Luke Kuechly, Patrick Peterson, Dak Prescott, and we got a canvas here, Tyler Johnson, going to the Bucks. And right behind that, Jacob Eason, rated rookie to the Colts. Reggie White and Dan Marino. Allen Robinson, Trent Williams, Odell Beckham, Mike Evans, Jacob Hollister, Kenneth Murray, rookie, Chargers, Aaron Jones, and Ryan Fitzpatrick. I feel like these Donruss rookies should be worth more.
Yes, sir.
Because it's so hard to find.
Yes.
All right, Adrian Peterson, A.J. Brown, Jamison Crowder, Chris Carson, Taysom Hill, and Antoine Winfield, rookie, the Bucks, John Ross, and Benny Snell. All right, last pack. Tyler Higbee, Marcus Allen, Raheem Mostert, Jared Allen. We got an inducted Troy Polamalu, Steelers, Antonio Gandy Golden, rated rookie to the Redskins,
Brutal.
Frank Clark, and Mike Vick. All right,
Those Donruss boxes sucked.
they did. But hopefully the select will make up for it. All right, here we go. Antonio Gandy Golden, Juju, Joe Reed, Chargers, Cam Akers, Jared Goff, Chase Claypool on the concourse, Drew Lock, DeAndre Swift, the concourse. We got a turbocharged Lamar Jackson. This is the base. Hot Stars, Saquon Barkley. Unbreakable, Ed Reed. Got a Cam Akers Select Certified. And our silver is Phil Rivers to the Colts. Concourse Prism. Premier level, here we go. Tua to the Dolphins. And Russ Wilson. Premier level on the back. Tua was nice. Been nice to have a silver rookie and not only Rivers.
Yeah, let's upgrade that.
All right, here we go. Patrick Queen on the concourse. Sam Darnold. Jordan Fuller. Gardner Minshew. C.J. Henderson. Here we go. Jordan Love to the Packers. Go with that canvas rated rookie. Kyler Murray. Got an A.J. Epinesa club level. There, Michael Pittman, Select Certified. Turbocharged Tua, Dolphins. Tom Brady, Hot Stars, going to the Pats. Unbreakable, Emmitt Smith. And our silver is a club level silver LaMichael Pirine to the Jets. Chase Claypool on the premier level. And Deshaun Watson. All right. This is the one I've been waiting for all night.
Tua's starting to stack.
The one I've been waiting for.
Come on, baby.
The old optic hanger
Find something good.
with the blue scopes. All right, guys. Here we go. Good luck. Darius Leonard. Travis Kelce. Mike Gesicki. DJ Moore. Deshaun Watson. Fine year he had. Chris Godwin.
Just can't help yourself.
Josh Jacobs. Sam Darnold. Von Miller. DK Metcalf. And our negative is Devin Duvernay to the Ravens. And our silver is Patrick Queen going to the Ravens. Well, to Ryan.
Ryan. Getting both of them.
Got Jacob Eason, the rookies, the Colts. You got Dominators, Nick Chubb to the Browns. Darrell Taylor, Seahawks. Yatir Gross Matos, rookie, Panthers. Jacob Eason, rated rookie. And our blue scopes. So we got Jalen Johnson for the Bears. There we go. Nice hit for the Vikings, Justin Jefferson.
Wow. That was sweet.
Nice hit there. And we got another rated rookie
Another one.
on the back. Brian Edwards.
That was
Better than Ruggs, I guess.
nice JJ.
Nice JJ, though. So congrats to the Viking spot. Brian, you got one, man. There you go. All right, so we'll do a quick recap here. Thank you guys for participating. Quick shameless plug. We do have another break tomorrow night with 2020 Prism. Breaking 4 blasters and a couple bonus cello packs that we're throwing in. But the main item that we're breaking tomorrow is those 4 Prism blasters. We do have a 2021 Prism draft picks break. Before that, 3 mega boxes that we're doing.
Should have 3 autos.
Yeah, so we should hopefully have 3 autos in there. So real quick, before we do our roll call, we're going to roll this card off. Excuse me. So what we'll do is the top half for Chase Young will be 1 through 3. So either 1, 2, or 3. And then the bottom half for Jeff Okuda will be 4, 5, or 6. All right. And it is a 4. So that will go to the Lions. All right. You got those ready for me?
Start with these.
All right. So here we go in no particular order. So we did have a numbered card in the Donruss Blaster. So the Kevin Byard, number 54 out of 100. Our mem card, this Donruss Threads, Anthony Miller. We did hit Mahomes' call to arms in the playoff. Tom Brady insert, Hot Stars insert in the select. We had a negative variation, Devin Duvernay. Patrick Queen on the Optic Silver. DeAndre Swift, Concourse. DeAndre Swift, rated rookie. Jonathan Taylor, we had the Gridiron Kings. CD Lamb on the Chronicles. CD Lamb on the Classics. J.K. Dobbins on the Rookie Wave. Chase Claypool on the Concourse and Premier level and the Rookie Wave. So not bad for the Steelers. And then we had this Jalen Hurts Luminance. Tua had the Gridiron Kings, the Rookie of the Year, turbocharged, and I believe it's Premier level. Jordan Love had the Canvas Proof Rookie along with the Concourse. Joey B with the Rookie of the Year, Contenders, the Classics, Luminance. Herbie we had on the Panini and the Dynagon. And then Justin Jefferson's, we had 2 of the Paninis, Absolute, and then our hit of the night, the Justin Jefferson Blue Scope Optic rated rookie. Good centering. So congrats, Brian. All right. Thanks, everyone, for participating. Make sure you like and follow us on Facebook. And hopefully we'll see you guys back tomorrow night when we break the 2020 Prism Blasters. See y'all.